Hi, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the customer's control account. Okay, customer's control accounts. All right, so let's start. What is a general ledger? A general ledger is where all financial transactions of a business records are kept that affect a related group of item entries entered throughout the months and years. For example, inventory stock, purchases, sales, suppliers, also known as accounts payable, customers, also known as accounts receivable, cash book, petty cash, assets such as computer, cash register, etc., VAT or GST, and journals. Okay, so the customer's control accounts. A customer's control account is when the owner of a business gives his customers 30 or 60 days in which to pay for the goods they bought from him and issued out an invoice. So very simple. Customers come by on credit, you issue out an invoice, and they've got 30 or 60 days to pay for it. Okay, the invoice is then it's basically the opposite of what we do with the suppliers. So when we go and buy from the suppliers, we're like a customer to our suppliers. They issue out an invoice, and we got 30 or 60 days to pay them. Just we doing that to our customers, or we're the suppliers of our customers. Okay, so the invoice is then entered in the owner's general ledger at the cost price plus his profit margin, including VAT, as an accounts receivable, money that has increased his assets and is put on the debit side. When the customers pay their account to the owner, the amount is credited in the cash book as it has increased the cash he keeps in the bank. Okay, so there's the invoices. We had three customers: Collins, Welsh, Church, and Welsh, and we issued them out invoices. Okay, so Mr. Collins, he came and bought 10 bells at $15 each. That's $150. He bought 20 pumps at $20 each. That's $400. He bought 15 saddles at $35 each. That's $525. The grand total is $1,075. The VAT on that we issued out on the invoice was $161.25. The total comes to $1,236.25. And we did the same with Mr. Church and Mr. Welsh because they all came and bought stuff from us. Okay, so the customer's control account. We entered those amounts on the debit side of the customer's control account. So Mr. Collins came and bought, his total invoice was $1,236.25. This is including VAT. And then the VAT on that was $161.25. Mr. Church was $920. The VAT on that was $120. Mr. Welsh was $805. And the total VAT on that was $105. We add up the VAT. It comes to $386.25. And then we add up the totals that they bought from us. It's $2,961.25. When they pay us from the cash book, then we enter in those amounts that they pay us. At the moment, this is what they owe us, and then once those amounts get paid, they come in here on the credit side, and that's why it's blank. This is 30 to 60 days, and it comes from the cash book. Okay, so the total customers is $2,961.25. The total VAT on that was $386.25 to put to the VAT control account on the credit side. Okay, the VAT is put on the credit side as it is money he owes to the receiver that was paid to the owner by his customers. When the customer's control is complete at month end, and the VAT the owner received from his customers is more than what the owner paid to his suppliers, the owner will have to pay the extra VAT to the receiver of revenue. All right, so that just basically sums it up. Basically, this is just customers coming and buying from us. They have a 30 and 60 day terms with us, so they don't pay immediately, and then we keep a record of what they owe us. It's very important. Otherwise, we don't know who's bought and what and how much they bought from us. So this is very important, as everything else is in bookkeeping. All right, yeah, and I hope I explained that as clearly as I could. Did the best I can. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. Okay, so please like this video, share it with everybody you know, and subscribe to our channel. We're doing lots of these little videos, short little videos, in depth, to try and help explain all of the various components of bookkeeping. And once again, ask questions. Please leave comments. We're more than willing to help you. Okay, so that's Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.